Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you guys can see by the title, we're going to be playing around with the Legend of Korra collection from Colourpop Cosmetics. I am a little bit late on reviewing these products because I just got back from my vacation from Hawaii, and it's been a whole ass month since I've uploaded here on my channel, so I apologize. I know you guys miss me. Okay, let's go ahead and get this video started off by giving my video a thumbs up because you guys miss me so much. Okay, let's go ahead and get started with today's review.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
I'm going to be honest with you guys. I have not watched The Legend of Korra. I don't know if it's a movie or a show. You guys let me know down below in the comments. But it is one of Colourpop's latest launches. And I, of course, wanted to review it for you guys because I always do that. I want to show you guys how you guys can play around with the products or give you guys an actual review of the products individually so that you guys can base your decision off of whether you want to purchase it or not. So this collection, I'm going to have it linked down below in the description box if you guys want to go ahead and check it out. You guys might hear some background noise. I have my neighbor working on, I don't know what they're working on, but I'm not going to go over there and tell them to shut up even though I want to. This is the Legend of Korra eyeshadow palette. It does come with a little sleeve. Oh, it's right here. This is the sleeve that it comes in, but pulled it off, and this is the palette. It's blue. It kind of reminds me of the Harry Potter eyeshadow palette. I did review that collection here on my channel as well, and this is what it looks like. It does not have, I just dove my nail into that eyeshadow. It doesn't have a mirror. It has a total of 15 eyeshadows in here. You get a combination of shimmers and mattes. Unfortunately, with this color scheme here, I was really looking forward to a transition color. I think that this is a great transition color for this color here, or this color here is a great transition color for this one. But with the color scheme that I went with, I use these two colors, and I didn't have like a soft brown or like a, I don't know, a muted color. I was really looking forward to that, but we did something on the eyes, and you guys will see a tutorial on how I came about the look that you guys are seeing on my face. But yeah, this is what the palette looks like. On the back, there are names, and you also have the names inside of the palette. Okay, moving on. I'm really excited about these here because I have not received any liquid shadows from Colourpop in the past. I don't know if this is something new that they're starting to incorporate into collections, but I have not received any liquid shadows from them before. So I was really excited about these, and these are also dual chrome. They do shift in color, and you guys will see some swatches shortly. One thing that I did experience with these liquid shadows is that as I was layering them, like they started to, like, I don't know if you guys, it's because my eyelash is in the way, but I don't know, it just makes my eyes look really wrinkly. So get it right the first time you use them, because if you overlap, it's gonna do something that you don't like to your eyes. So let's take a look at this first liquid shadow. This one is in the color Earth, and it has a green little top. You guys can obviously tell this is probably going to be a green one, right? Yeah. Look at that. That is really pretty. Now let's go to another one. This one is the one I'm currently wearing right now. I mean, I'm still going to swatch it for you guys, even though I have it on my eyes. It also looks kind of greenish, but kind of not. Like if you look at it from a certain angle. Looking like a liar right now. Yeah, you guys can kind of see it. It shifts in color. It's really pretty. And when I seen it, I'm like, I can definitely play with some red or some orange colors. So that's what I went with. All right. So we just did the red one. Let's put this one over here. Now we're going to do the one that has a yellow top. And this one is in the color Air. Air is like a gold color, like copper, gold. It shifts in color depending on how the light hits it. Okay, and then the last one has a blue top, and this one is called Water. And this one is probably the one that I was gonna use originally, but I'm like, you know what? I'm kind of feeling like a pinkish, reddish vibe today. So that's the blue one right there. Is that not pretty? Let me see what, oh yeah. Okay, so it looks purplish when you kind of like shift it. Let me see if I can get a different angle so you guys can get a good look. Do you see how it shifts in color right there? Like you turn it the other way and it's a whole different color. Look at that. Those are the liquid shadows, and now we have two liquid lipsticks. We have the color, the one that I'm wearing on my lips right now. This one is in the color Loyal Friend. And then we also have this color called Partner in Crime. You guys know I don't really like dark lips. I mean, I guess every now and then I probably will. I'm going to put it right here. So that's that one. Partner in Crime. And then we have a total of 2 liquid liners. I'm currently wearing the color Heart to Heart. You guys can see it right there. I don't know what I was doing with this look. I was going with the flow. I'm like, I'm gonna show them as much as I can on my eyes, and yeah, that's how we ended up with this look. I will swatch it for you guys so you guys can see it. Ooh, hold on. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like right over here. It's like a chocolatey brown, like a deep, deep color. I really like how it looks on the eyes. I just wish I didn't do whatever this is. I'm like, let me try some graphic liner today. This one here is called Korra. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Again, I've never watched The Legend of Korra, so I apologize if I butchered that name. This is a really pretty Tiffany blue. That's pretty. You know, I've been wanting a Tiffany necklace. That'd be nice. I think that's it. Actually, we have a Super Shock highlighter. This one is in the color Spirit Wilds. And take a look at this one. Oh, this is what the front looks like. It has a little bunny. I don't know what that is. Is that a bird? There's a butterfly. Super cute. This is what the highlighter looks like. You guys can see so many different, it's like a marbled highlighter with blues, pinks, golds, champagne. It's a mixture of everything. So let me get this swatch for you guys right here. Right here. It's kind of hard to pick up. Can you guys pick that up? Well, I have it on my cheek, so I mean, it's there. Should I show you on my fingers? There it is. There it is. That's what that looks like, and that is the entire Legend of Korra collection. Now I'm going to go ahead and jump into a tutorial sharing with you guys how I came about the look that you guys are seeing on my face. If you don't like this look, it's fine. I'll let you go, okay? You can skip out on this video. But I really like you to hang out with me. We're going to get started with some eye primer. I'm going to use the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Eye Primer, and I'm going to be applying it all over the eyes like so. And then I'm going to use the Makeup by Mario brush. This is the F4 brush. I'm going to use the bigger, well, smaller side of the brush to blend this all out. I'm really inspired by this color right here. It's more of like a pinkish shift in color. It kind of looks, I don't know, it's hard to describe. Is it this one or is it this one? I'm pretty sure it's this one here. So take a look at it. It's like pinkish, and then you can, it's like a duochrome. So it shifts in color, kind of gives it like a greenish tint to it as well. So I'm going to be playing around with 2 matte shades from this palette, which is the red one and this brownish looking one. So I'm going to start off by using this one here, and it's called Balance. I'm going to take the color Balance and apply it all over the lid like so. I really wish there was like a soft transition shade inside of this palette, but unfortunately there's not. Packing it on, as you guys can see, depositing that color before we start blending out the edges. I think we packed it on pretty good on the lid, so very slowly I'm going to soften up the edges as best as possible. So once we have done that, I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush, and then we're going to dip into the color Firebending, which is that red one right here. So with Firebending, I'm overlapping that previous shade. Softening up the edges as much as possible. Again, there's not a really light shade to use it as a transition color. Normally, I would break up the color at the outer corner with something lighter, but we're just going to work with what we have. I'm not liking how this is looking right in this inner corner. Let me try to remove some of that eyeshadow with my finger. That looks okay. Just okay. I don't know. I'm thinking I might go in with this yellow. I don't know. I don't want to regret it, but I think I'm going to have to because I don't like how this is blending out. And there's nothing wrong with the eyeshadow colors. It's just a matter of there not being a transition color that matches with what I'm doing. So we're just going to wing it and hope that this airbending color, this yellow shade right here, works out. There's no mirror. I'm over here trying to look. So I'm going to be applying it to this inner corner to soften up this right here because I am not liking that. Girl, I don't know what we're doing today. But I'm always queen of trust the process. You know what? I'm going to take the color Endgame and we're going to be applying it to the outer corner to highlight the brow bone right here. Maybe it'll soften up that outer corner as well. I honestly think if I apply some of this duochrome shimmer shadow that it's just going to tie it together. At least that's what I'm hoping for. Because I'm not fond of this look right now. But let's go in there. I'm going to be applying it all over the lid. And I am creating a cut crease with it, so I am rounding it off to the shape of my eye. Just like that. Leaving a little room to the outer corner so that we can apply another eyeshadow because I want to use quite a few shadows from this palette so you guys can get an idea of what they look like on the eyes. I'm going to allow the liquid shadow to dry down before applying anything else because I just don't want to mess this up. And I feel like if I do apply shadow when it's still kind of like wet, it's going to ruin the whole look. And so far, after applying the liquid shadow, I'm pretty content with it, but we'll see how we finish off the look. Now I'm going to take the shimmer shadow called Harmony, and I'm going to be placing it right next to the color, the liquid shadow that we have on here as a pretty transition color to the outer corner shade that we're going to use. Ooh, that looks really nice. So over on the outer corner, I'm going to take the color Balance once again, and that's the shade that we used all over the lid, if you guys recall. And I'm also taking it on a pencil brush. I'm using the Sigma E30, just like that. And I'm applying it to the outer corner to close it off. I'm also going to connect this eyeshadow color to the bottom lash line, like that. So connecting to the top, to the bottom. We also have two liquid liners, and I'm going to use the color Heart to Heart. I don't know how I'm going to use this. Let me see. I think I messed it up. I don't like it. Whatever. I just used it on the crease area, and I think I'm also going to wing it out. Why not? I feel like this liquid liner is so thin. It makes it easy to do precise lines, but it also takes a long time to fill in your eyeliner if you wing it out like I am. You know what? I think I'm gonna just stop here because I'm just playing guessing games on what to do next, and I'm gonna ruin everything if I keep going. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some mascara, do the other eye off of camera, and I don't know if I'm gonna do eyelashes today, but let me finish this eye look off. I will continue to share the rest of the products that are a part of this collection. I just finished up my eye makeup, and as you guys know, I don't like darker lip colors, so I'm definitely not going to use this dark one. I'm going to go in with the nude, and as lip liner I use the Rare Beauty. It's called Kind Words Matte Lip Liner. That's the one I'm currently wearing on my lips right now. Now let's go into this nude lip color. It's called Loyal Friend, and this is a part of the collection. This paired really good with the lip liner I have on. Perfect. And now we also have this Super Shock shadow that is called Spirit Wilds. We're gonna, I normally don't go in with highlighters, but we're gonna do that. You guys can see this is what it looks like. Very unique. So let me just go all around so that I don't pick up just one color, because I am kind of like dipping into this blue area, but let's mix it up in here. And wow, it's actually really pretty and super blinding. Like, I'm not into that. Let's go into this other side. Just emphasizes texture, which is why I don't like wearing highlighters. I'm just going in with a little bit of powder to set my face because it kind of got a little dewy. I have combination skin. And that wraps up today's look using the Legend of Korra Colourpop Cosmetics collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I definitely I'm not a fan of this look, honestly, but I just wanted to play around with all of this collection and share with you guys what these products look like on my face. So hopefully you guys got a little bit of insight as to what you can do with this collection. Maybe not do the graphic liner. Maybe skip on that whole part right there. If you guys did find this video helpful and you guys would like to shop the collection, I'm going to have the entire collection linked down below in the description box. If you do check out using that link, I do earn commission, which supports me and my kids, and I just want to say thank you so much for supporting me. Now, I do hope that you guys return to my channel, so make sure you do hit that subscribe button down below. Turn on post notifications so you get notified every single time that I have a new video. Every time I have a new video here on my channel. And without, I usually end my videos the same way every time, and I'm getting tongue-tied. It's like I'm forgetting what I normally say. I do like to let you guys know every single video to please subscribe to my channel if it's your first time watching me. Whatever the case may be, maybe you're a returning subscriber. Maybe you've stumbled across my video a few times and you haven't subscribed yet. Today's a day. Today's a day. Hit that subscribe button. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.